Hi guys, I'm Jo Pickering from Ray White in Kingsland, and today I've got the pleasure of showing you through apartment 4R here in the complex based at 435 New North Road. Now we're in the heart of Kingsland here with Atomic across the road with amazing coffee. Bars and restaurants up the road, so not very far from your fabulous spot here. Public transport literally on your doorstep. Come and check it out, we'll be here on the weekend to show you through.